soft light, gentle textures, and a space that feels quietly personal. Today, we're exploring a romantic minimalist home shaped by calm and warmth. Subscribe for more spaces like this. The exterior feels light and composed. Clean lines define the structure, while soft tones and subtle details bring a sense of warmth to the surface. Windows allow light to move freely, giving the home a gentle presence throughout the day. The palette remains calm. Nothing draws too much attention, yet everything feels carefully considered. There's a quiet elegance in how it stands. Simple, balanced, and easy on the eyes. The entryway feels soft and welcoming. Light falls gently across surfaces, creating a warm first impression without needing much detail. A small bench, a delicate mirror, or a subtle decorative piece adds personality without crowding the space. Everything feels light, almost effortless. It's a quiet transition, where the pace naturally slows as you move inside. The living room holds a calm and intimate atmosphere. Soft fabrics shape the space, linen, cotton, and textures that feel gentle to the eye. Furniture remains simple, allowing space and light to take the lead. Subtle curves appear here and there, adding a sense of softness to the overall composition. Light moves slowly across the room, creating a quiet rhythm that makes the space feel alive without ever feeling busy. The dining area feels intimate and understated. A simple table sits at the center, surrounded by light forms that don't compete for attention. Soft lighting creates a gentle glow, shaping the mood rather than dominating it. The space feels personal, encouraging slower meals and quieter moments. There's a sense of closeness here, created through simplicity and balance. The kitchen remains clean and open, with surfaces that feel smooth and easy to use. Storage blends into the design, keeping the space visually quiet. Small details, ceramics, soft finishes, subtle textures add warmth without interrupting the flow. Light reflects gently, keeping the atmosphere bright but soft. Everything feels calm, supporting daily routines without distraction. The bedroom becomes more personal. Soft fabrics layer gently, creating a space that feels restful and close. Colors remain muted, allowing light and texture to shape the mood. Curtains move slightly with the air, adding a quiet sense of movement. It's a space that feels safe and still, where rest comes easily and naturally. bathroom carries a light and refreshing feeling. Clean surfaces and soft tones create a space that feels open and easy to use. Subtle details, gentle lighting, smooth textures add depth without complexity. The atmosphere remains calm, allowing everyday routines to feel more relaxed. It's simple, yet quietly comforting. Even the most functional space carries a sense of calm. Clean lines and soft tones keep everything visually light and easy to manage. Storage is simple and efficient, allowing the space to feel open rather than crowded. Small details add warmth without interrupting the flow. It's practical, yet still connected to the overall feeling of the home. A small corner becomes a place to pause. Soft seating, warm light, and a quiet atmosphere create a space that feels easy to return to. The textures invite comfort, while the simplicity keeps the mind clear. Light shifts gently, adding a sense of time without urgency. It's a space that holds stillness, offering a moment away from everything else. Outside, the atmosphere remains soft and open. Light, air, and simple elements create a space that feels easy to enjoy. Plants and natural textures add a gentle layer of life without overwhelming the calmness. The connection to the outdoors feels seamless. It's a quiet extension of the home, offering a place to breathe and slow down. A space shaped by softness, simplicity, and quiet connection. If this feeling stays with you, stay with us for more spaces like this. See you in the next one.